For the given function, find the equation of the secant line through the points where x has the given values, and B, find the equation of the tangent line where x has the first value. So for part A, we'll use the formula f of b minus f of a over b minus a. And our a is our first value, -1, and our b is our second value, 1. So we need to find f -1 and f of 1. And so that's going to be parentheses -1 squared plus -1. And you better put the parentheses to square that. 1 plus -1 is 0. Because if you don't, your calculator is going to give you the wrong answer. It's going to give you a -2 instead of a 0. So anytime you're raising a base that's negative to a power, put parentheses around it for your calculator. If it's positive, you don't have to do that. So we've got 1 squared plus 1, which is 2. So that means we have the ordered pair, -1, 0, and 1, 2. Okay? And we can plug into our formula. F of b is the f of 1, so that's our slope is going to be 2 minus 0 over 1 minus -1. And you absolutely can think of this as the regular slope formula once you find the point -1, 0, and the point 1, 2. Those are two ordered pairs, and you can just do the slope formula. So that's going to be a slope of 1. Now to write the equation of the line, it doesn't matter to me which method you use as long as you get good at one or the other. The first one's called the point-slope formula. The second one is slope-intercept formula. They'll give you the same answer. You will notice, though, this asks us to solve it for y. So I'm just going to use the second method. Now, when you're writing the equation of a line, you need a slope, which we have of 1, and a point, and I'm going to call our point 1, 2. I'm going to use the one that doesn't have a negative in it. It doesn't matter, you get the same answer. So my y is 2, my m is 1, my x is 1, but I don't know b. So that's 2 equals 1 plus b. Take a 1 from both sides, 1 equals b. So my final answer there is y equals 1x, or just x, plus 1. So that's my answer to part A. Y equals x plus 1 is the equation of the secant line. Now in part B, they want the equation of the tangent line. And so to find the slope of the tangent, we have that limiting definition, but we also have a shortcut now. So if f of x is x squared plus x, the derivative, which is the slope of the tangent, will be 2x plus 1. No need to go through that long definition formula now that we know our shortcuts. So our f prime at the first value, which was -1, is 2 times -1 plus 1. That's -2 plus 1, which is -1. So my slope is -1. And my point this time has to be at the first value. So I have to use the -1, 0. So my point is -1, 0. So y equals mx plus b, where y is 0, m is -1, x is -1, plus b gives me 0 is 1 plus b. Solving for b by subtracting 1, -1 is b. So y equals -1x minus 1. And we typically don't write the -1 or the +1 as a coefficient. So my answer there is y equals -x minus 1. That is my equation of my tangent line to the function f of x equals x squared plus x at specifically the point -1, 0.